Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Yummy Arts Kitchen. Yay! Today we're very happy to present Shelly Sicily. Yay! She's got a very cool project coming up. She's going to tell you all about it. Ladies and gentlemen, Shelly Sicily.
Hi guys. Hi all you yummy artists. Yay. We came up with a really interesting project for you. We're going to be working with straight buttercream today. We're going to bring you up to speed because you got to plan ahead because you're going to have all those Christmas parties coming up. So the rage right now is an ugly Christmas sweater party. And if you still have your ugly Christmas sweater that you bought and maybe it's stashed in that corner, get it out for an ugly Christmas sweater project. So I actually dug out mine, and I know Cindy's been showing you guys. So this is my ugly Christmas sweater.
It's lovely.
It's actually lovely. I loved it when I bought it. So it's got to be at least 30 years old.
Nice.
But you can see from what's on here, great inspiration. Okay? We're going to focus on the tree. We're going to focus on the background. We're going to work on the collar. We might do a little bit with the tag just to make it look like a Christmas sweater on a sheet cake, okay? And there's a lot of detail on this, but I'm only going to focus on the tree for our time frame. All right, see what that cool? A lot of possibilities.
Yep,
so,
going on. A lot of stuff going on. That's what makes it an ugly Christmas sweater. Is lots of stuff
going on. So back here so you guys can kind of reference it if you can see it.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Now, what I did is when you're working with buttercream and you want to make your buttercream, you got to make white buttercream to start out with. So after all these years of doing buttercream, the last thing I want to do is make a whole pot of red frosting and know that I'm going to have to waste the rest of that buttercream because I'm not going to use all that red. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you how to airbrush it. This one is going to be our working one. This is airbrushed. Isn't that cool? All the way around. Also, I'm sure you can see that I paper towel the buttercream. Do you guys want this recipe?
Sure.
Do we want this recipe?
Sure.
Okay. This is a shortening only buttercream. So this will make a 5-quart mixer full of buttercream, and it is shelf stable, and you're going to use evaporated milk. So get your pencils. I want you to write down while I do a little bit of stuff here. I want you to write this down. Okay, 14 cups, heaping cups. You don't have to scrape it off. You don't have to do this to the cup. Scoop up your powdered sugar, dump it in your mixer bowl, okay? Then you're going to need 1 cup of water. Tap water's fine. Accurate, inaccurate's fine. 3/4 of a cup of evaporated milk. The newer it is, the less yellow it is. The longer it's been in your cupboard, the more yellow it turns. So you want it to go white, be the white. So get a fresh can of the evaporated milk, okay? A little bit of salt. The salt cuts the shortening, sorry, it's not the shortening. It cuts the sweet taste. And then you're going to add 2 pounds of high ratio shortening. Now, high ratio right now needs to have the trans fats for this buttercream. The fat-free ones, it'll get soupy on you, so you may have to add a little bit more powdered sugar to keep it from that soupiness, which is okay. And then you want to blend those up, and you're going to add the water to the powdered sugar, blend it up till it stirs, add whatever flavoring you want, then throw in your shortening, okay? Mix it on high for like 5 minutes. You'll see that it doubles. And it is a crusting buttercream, and it's shelf stable. I frosted these last night, and you can see it's nice and crusted, and we're able to paper towel this. You see that paper toweling, the texture that's on there?